Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a working door for a find the button map. So what you'd want to do is, or a working button and door. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to make the base of your door. So just make a simple little door like this. And then of course you can change up the texture and the color and stuff. So I'm just gonna make that diamond plate. It's a bit laggy, I don't know why. But once you make that, you'd wanna put in another plate. But first you'd want to name this door. Let me just rename it. You have to name that main door. Now once you do that, you'd want to insert another part, resize it again, but this time it has to be a bit smaller, like this, and place it on the door. I recommend it for you to like do this, kind of like that. Now you're going to name this text count down. Now once you name that text countdown, you would want to duplicate it, put it here, and now you'd want to insert a surface GUI in both of them. So insert a surface GUI there and add a surface GUI here. Now in those surface GUIs, you'd want to insert a text label. Just gonna insert a text label right there. Now, what you have to do is you have to find the text label. So my text label is over there, so I'm just gonna rotate it over there. And you'll have to resize it a bit, so I'm just gonna resize it. Let's do size, and the size will be this one will be like 100, I guess. No, that'll be maybe 150. Then that would be 170. 160 then. There we go, that's a bit better. Now, this is gonna be 300. No. 200. Still no. 100. 150. That's 15. Then that would also be 160. Okay, so I just got the size. Now we can customize it now. I'm just gonna do that text guild. I'm gonna make that red. Make sure the text is closed. So change the text on the thing to closed. And I'm gonna change the font. Let's change that to sci-fi. Okay, so now that we did that, we'd want to do the same thing to that text label over there that we just made on the other block. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just duplicate this and rename it. Hold on. this has to be, that is going to be like, let's say, closed/open. So now that we did that, we have that. Make sure that the text over there is just space. So just put a space on the text countdown. So text close. That should be that. Okay. So now we have the base done. Now what we need to do, or the door done. Now that we have the door, you're just going to anchor everything. Now you have to make the base of the button. So what you're going to do is insert a part. And do this. Whoops. Let's make that down a plate. Now I'm gonna duplicate this. And then bring it up. And then scale. Gonna do this. Make it green. And make it concrete or cobblestone. Or you can just make the button however you want. If you're making it kind of 2 layers like this, then if you made like the top layer that you want the person to click is going to be called click block. And over here is going to be, and if you're putting like a bottom layer, you would want to do like button base. Now we just gotta anchor it. So now, where you would want the person to click, you'd want to insert a click detector, and you'd want to insert a script. In that script, you would want to do script.Parent.ClickDetector.MouseClick::connect function. Now, and then you would want to do script.Parent.material equals 2, and then do condiment. And then you would want to do neon. And then script, or after that, you'd want to do wait. Let's do 0.1. And then script.Parent.material equals concrete. Now, if we test, okay, so now that we're in the game, we're going to click. See that? See that, guys? Now, what you would want to do now is you want to insert another script into it, and then do script.Parent.ClickDetector.MouseClick::connect function. And then you'd want to do game.Workspace. And then once you do that, you would want to do text countdown dot surface GUI dot text label dot text equals, and then do what you want do on like let's say 7, and then after that you would want to do wait 1 second, and then after that you would want to copy this and then paste it, and instead of 7 you do 6, and then you would want to copy this with the wait in it, so and then you just need to do that, and then this, and then this, and then this, and over here is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, and then we're going to do one more, and we're going to do 1. But over here, we are going to do text or game dot workspace dot let's say text countdown dot CanCollide equals false, and then you would want to do game.Workspace.MainDoor. Not child added .CanCollide equals to false, and then do game.Workspace. Let's see, closed open, or we don't need these brackets, just this dot CanCollide, or actually no, let's change the name of closed open. Let's just do closed open with no spaces. So let's just do this CanCollide equals to false. Now we have that, and then we can do wait 1 again, and then copy and paste this and paste it here and make these true. So now and hit play. Okay guys, so now that we're in the game, we're going to click the button 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to click it again. We can go through it. But after the 7-minute countdown or the 7-second countdown, can't go through it anymore. Click it, can't go through it again. And so now over here in that script we were just editing, we want to do in the wait 1, or we're going to add another wait 1 and do, and just copy this, paste it here, whoops, game, and just put a space there. And that's that. Now we're going to insert another script in there, and then you'd want to do script.Parent.ClickDetector.MouseClick:connect function, and then you'd want to do game.Workspace. Let's see, ClosedOpen.SurfaceGUI.TextLabel.text equals open. And then if you're doing it 7 seconds in the countdown, then you would want to do wait 7. And then you'd want to copy and paste this in here and make this closed. Okay, so now I'm going to click the button. It says open. You can go through it. After 7 seconds, it says closed. You can't go through it. And then it says open. Now it says closed, and I can't go through it. So that's how you do it. And if you want to make it so it clicks, then all you need to do is go over here and do audio and get a mouse click. I spelled mouse wrong, but whatever. Yeah, I think it has to be mouse with an E. Let's see, let's hear this one. No. And this one's better. And then you would want to insert another script. And let's see if I can remember the script on this one. So let's do playability equals true. Now let's do script.Parent.ClickDetector, goddammit, ClickDetector.MouseClick:connect function, and then you'd want to do script.Parent.MouseClick. Hold on. MouseClick dot MouseClick dot playing equals to true. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so and then if we click this, it makes a sound. Thing is, if you click it a lot, that happens. So that's the only problem here. But now all you need to do is just pick up the button that you have, hide it somewhere, and kaboom! You just need the players to find the button, and then they'll open, and then they have to get to the door in time, and then ba-boom! So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!